2025 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is a masterpiece of bespoke craftsmanship, blending artistry, luxury, and performance in a way only Rolls-Royce can deliver. On the exterior, the Boat Tail is nothing short of breathtaking. Every element has been meticulously crafted to exude exclusivity. The elongated, yacht-inspired silhouette flows seamlessly from front to back, reflecting the vehicle's nautical inspiration. The hand-polished aluminum bodywork gleams with a level of refinement that feels almost otherworldly. At the front, the iconic Pantheon grille is larger and more pronounced, paired with sleek LED headlights that give the car a modern yet timeless presence. The signature rear deck is finished with a combination of precious materials, including natural wood veneers and brushed metal accents, creating an elegant look reminiscent of a luxury yacht's aft. The rear also opens to reveal a stunning hosting suite, complete with a champagne cooler, bespoke glassware, and an outdoor dining setup, a feature that redefines luxury on wheels. Underneath this work of art lies a performance powerhouse. The 2025 Boat Tail is equipped with a finely tuned 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering an effortless 563 horsepower. While speed is not the primary focus of this creation, the Boat Tail accelerates smoothly and gracefully, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. The car glides on the road with unparalleled refinement, thanks to Rolls-Royce's updated air suspension system, which ensures a ride so smooth it feels like floating on a cloud. The steering is precise yet relaxed, making every journey, whether through city streets or along a coastal highway, feel like an event. Rolls-Royce's bespoke engineering ensures the perfect balance between power and serenity. The interior of the 2025 Boat Tail is a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. Each unit is completely customized to the owner's preferences, ensuring no two cars are alike. The finest materials are sourced from around the world, including hand-stitched leather, exotic wood veneers, and intricate mother-of-pearl inlays. The dashboard is a masterpiece, featuring a minimalistic design with a bespoke clock crafted from precious gemstones at its center. Advanced technology is seamlessly integrated, with a discrete touchscreen interface that provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. However, the real focus remains on the tactile and visual experience, with physical buttons and switches designed to feel like pieces of art. Passenger comfort is prioritized to an unparalleled degree. The seats are sculpted for perfect ergonomics and finished in buttery soft leather, with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The rear of the cabin offers a serene space with handcrafted picnic tables, a chilled drinks compartment, and even custom umbrellas embedded in the doors. Ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of calm, while the panoramic sunroof enhances the connection to the outside world. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is more than just a car, it's an expression of individuality, craftsmanship, and ultimate luxury, redefining what is possible in automotive design and engineering.